As humans, we all want to be loved, whether we admit it or not. That's why we go to romantic movies, because we get to share in the experience of the two lead characters. Take Michael Curtiz's Casablanca, for instance. The chemistry between Humphrey Bogart and Ingrid Bergman is undeniable. Through Rick Blaine and Elsa Lund, we can explore the complexities of our own human emotions and be inspired to overcome adversities and challenges that we face in our relationships and in our lives. Well-written dialogue can elevate the romance, make it more authentic, and characters that are multidimensional and have flaws go a long way to making the romance more effective. Humphrey Bogart's character, Rick Blaine, is a prime example of a well-written character with moral ambiguity, and he's complex, like we all are. He's faced with a decision. Does he go for his own personal interests, or does he self-sacrifice for the cause against the Nazis? In this film, there's a great use of a MacGuffin, the letters of transit. Check it out and see how maybe you can use a MacGuffin in your romantic movie. World building applies to romantic movies. The backdrop can enhance the elements of the romance. Casablanca takes place in Morocco, which is in North Africa, during World War II. This setting adds to the tension. It raises the stakes, builds the emotional impact of our story. Music in romantic films can pull our romantic heartstrings. Take the song La Marseillaise. That's the French national anthem. It stands for resistance against tyranny and oppression by the Nazis. In the beginning of the film, Elsa requests Sam to play As Time Goes By. And as the film Casablanca goes on, we associate the deepening connection between Rick and Elsa whenever we hear that song. A memorable romantic film like this one is going to have more than just romance. This one has stakes. It's got drama and tension. We can't just relish in romance for 90 minutes. We gotta earn it. When I shot one of my first movies in a film class, I drew heavily from the cinematography I watched in Casablanca. The use of lighting and shadows really adds to the tone. Notice it when you watch or rewatch Casablanca right after this video. Casablanca was so impactful because of its universal themes of love, sacrifice, redemption. This film is a great example of how effective it can be to blend genres. It's not a straight romance. We got drama in there. It's a war movie. This film was actually shot during World War II, so they had to work on an expedited schedule to get it done. It was shot all on the lot. They made you feel like you were right there in Morocco. That's the power of movie making. And the power of another great romantic movie with an epic backdrop, Gone with the Wind. Victor Fleming directed this classic, and the chemistry between Clark Gable and Vivien Leigh is undeniable. Nick Cassavetes' The Notebook. In this one, we want to see true love overcome societal expectations as two forbidden lovers, Rachel McAdams and Ryan Gosling, deliver extraordinary performances. And it's no wonder Richard Linklater's Before Sunrise spawned 2 sequels. Who doesn't want to watch a chance encounter between two people from opposite sides of the world meet in Vienna? And what makes this great, the dialogue is so naturalistic. It flows throughout the movie, and we're invested in the genuine relationship between our two protagonists, played by Julie Delpy and Ethan Hawke. Titanic is undeniable, directed by James Cameron. We get that epic backdrop of the Titanic. We know it's going down, but we're so drawn to our main characters, played by Kate Winslet and Leo DiCaprio. Their chemistry drives this film. And the iconic song, My Heart Will Go On, adds to the emotional impact we feel. And Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind by Michael Gondry. This one takes risks. Gondry blends romance with sci-fi, and the storytelling is very inventive with Kate Winslet and Jim Carrey. And check out the other genre videos from this playlist. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember, I love you.